We are pleased to show you the 2011 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.